Welcome back to another video, guys. And today we'll be putting this thing back together. I decided against doing the bottom end. I'm pretty sure my problem was just these gaskets, because I don't think they're supposed to be cooling in these passages. Because these passages go down the water pump, right? And apparently, like, the gaskets are fucked. So I took the cheap way out and I ordered a full gasket seal, crank seals, everything. And the reason why I did this is I want to replace the water pump seal. And I could have just, it's just cheaper to do it this way. So I'm going to replace water pump seal, this seal, maybe the head gaskets, new exhaust seals. Hoping to button up the motor today and get the sled running tomorrow. So let's get all this gasket material off and we'll catch back to you. I really hope the gaskets and stuff I ordered are the right ones. We'll be back. Didn't record. It is the next day. It was a literal pain in the ass and took me a whole damn 3 hours to get those gaskets all the way halfway off. I'm gonna try to get this sled running today. It is 5 o'clock. I'm hoping to have it running. So, without further ado, let's get this fucking. Let's go see if the gaskets will fit. Got a bit more cleaning up to do. Same video. Probably a month after that. I didn't really, kind of recorded, but I had a bit of a fuck up. A piston got stuck and then fucking did that. So I'll show you later. But I'm just gonna sand this down. I don't care. Just did a bit of damage to the cylinder too. Up here. I'm bashing it, trying to get it on and off. So I'm not too worried about that. You guys want to see a video of me getting high? And I'm going to get really high and I'm going to try and put this engine back together. I tore it apart months ago. Where do you put those piston rings? Right here. These are the 3 old ones I have. The 3 old ones. The one that broke is rest in peace. And I waited a little while. That's why the only reason why the snow wasn't running. They're back together by a month ago. Is for those piston rings. Back on the buddies. But yeah. Let's pull the engine out, set it on that table, and then let's light up a joint and start working on this piece of awesomeness. It's a lot cleaner. Like, if you see the first video, I couldn't even see those numbers. She's cleaned up. I've used 2 things: the brake parts cleaner, I think a quick start on here.
Quick start did the best.
So that's about. I'm gonna get rid of that. We're gonna flush it in the cylinder, and I got the fucking drain bolt open. Don't worry about that. I'll do that. So let's get started. Let's smoke the joint. And then we'll open the part screen and see what we've got going on.
You want some?
See the piston rings, if I can get them to work properly, and hopefully this motor's back together and at least in the sled today. We'll see. Working away, trying to make that a little bit flatter. We're going to put an indentation piston. I know I should buy new pistons. That's another $180 I don't want to put into this thing. Actually work, don't mind my work, sure actually works away. I'm trying to get that piston a little cleaner. Smoke some burn buddies and get fucking stoned. You gotta get the engine high. There's no point in even, there's no point. Down to buddy. As of right now, what I have left to do, get to fit up the seat, put the whole engine back together, put everything in there back together, get it running. And then it should be, I gotta do the curve or the fucking thing, it's called carbide for the ski. I do that. The seat put on, engine put back together and in and running. Maybe work on the kill switch, get that working. It's getting colder, so I'm trying to get it done. I don't want to be out here in the freezing cold doing it. There's a bucket of parts, a whole bunch of new gaskets, and everything you possibly need. That one's getting pretty high. I'll catch back to you when we're putting the pistons on. So as you can see, these are the ones, pistons ordered. These are the ones that came out of it. Look damn close. I already put these 2 on. These are the old ones. I'm going to use those. I'm going to put these 2 new ones on these. Doing one old one just cause. This is a side with a bit of damage and it's going to get the new rings. Just Does the sled have great compression before? So I want to at least keep one cylinder decent. I did measure these right with the measure and the fucking put it in the how you're supposed to do it. Let's just say that. So way better fit than the other ones, but these are brand new. No, I don't think let's do that. Should do the other one first. Okay. I tried, but it was too more blonde. No mechanic, do not look at this video and go and take your sled apart trying to rebuild it. You'll probably never run again with this one.
No. Did it go in that top one?
There we go.
Some technical difficulties there.
You're stuck. This one I damaged to rub in.
No. What you damaged that one? Pretty sure we threw out the one that was damaged.
This is the ring with the cylinder.
There you go. Congratulations. You did it.
Yeah, this one's gonna stick. I can't have that.
Did you bend it?
That's the one that broke off.
No, it's not.
Yeah,
Oh,
but
that
this is
top
where it broke
one.
off.
Oh, yeah. Now I know what you mean.
Cut the clip.
Should I sand it a little bit?
Left about 45 minutes. I finally got one on. Probably an hour or two, to be honest. Now we know how to do it, so let's slip this one on.
I figured out how to do it.
Okay. One on so far. Took about an hour. Camera's so blurry. I'll try that one on and be really happy with myself, hopefully. Yeah,
That was
we'll
the
see.
problem. You're just trying to put it on
We
fucking
had to watch a
whichever
couple
way.
YouTube videos and figured out what I could do and not go on. Okay, next one. Yeah.
Thanks to me.
She might actually live. Get the rest of the gaskets on. There we go. There's just oil and shit in here.
Hold this door.
Yeah.
Pretty happy, aren't you?
Put that back in the slide. I could ride this one. What's that? How you doing that?
38. Or 30, I mean.
You going up?
Yeah.
What's that?
Almost on 90.
You still going up?
A little bit.
Still?
Yeah.
Still?
It's pretty much stopped at 90. Oh. Oh. Oh, it's at 90.
That is gonna make an end to part 2. Part 3. I got parts coming. Well, I haven't ordered them yet, but working on getting a bunch of parts to get the rest of the sled back together. I don't know if I really told you, but motor mount broke, so we're waiting on that. And part 3 with the sled should start. Will be coming out soon.
wash your out.